At Gates Ford, we allow you to spread the cost of your servicing with our flexible and affordable service plans. Your vehicle will be in the best possible hands of our Ford-trained technicians with the work carried out at our fully equipped service centres. A Ford main dealer service history will ensure your vehicle is maintained within manufacturer recommendations and enhances resale value for you. All service plans come with interest-free, fixed monthly payments to protect you against inflation. Plus, it will also include the cost of service parts, including fluids and the labour. To inquire about our service plans, please visit gates.co.uk or visit your local dealership. We hope to see you soon.